After defining the building settings, we go to settings, and this is where we will choose different options like plot scale, if we want to use a norm, a DIN 277 or another norm that you can customize and load to the project or to the software. Then for the room stamp, what we want to see for the room stamp, we want to see the name of the room, if we want to see the ID or the classification, the floor material, the perimeter, and if we want a prefix that we can freely define, also for the area and the height of the room, and also the text style for this stamp, and also on which layer we want to create it. And if we want to create a hatch or not. The same for doors. If we want to insert the text, the name, the width, the height, also with some prefixes, and also the layer where we want to create it. And for windows the same. So if we want to see the width, the height, the Z coordinate of the top of the door, the sill height or the sill Z coordinate, or both, or all, or any combination of them. So you can define what you need for each project. And also for beams, the same way. So we also choose the layer where we want to create it and the text style, and also for levels, 00 text. So we have it. And additionally, we can define the decimals for lengths and areas, and if we want to create 3D models at the same time while we are creating the floor plans. We can create line strings, 3D faces or 3D shells, depending on the elements that you want to see, and depending on the elements that you can import in your final software or in your customer software. Line strings are very useful because you can work with transparency of the face, but they are not shown on the cutting plane views, on the vertical views. Therefore, you can use instead 3D faces or 3D shells.